Print template setup of details of repair order have been improved. Unlike the old version where we had to edit top and bottom areas in different windows using HTML scripts, now we can modify the template in a single window. If you want to display a stamp, image, or an approval line, click each icon to add them to the template and drag to place them where you want to. Also, right-click in the top or bottom area, click Add Fields. You can add these various fields into the table. Of course, height and width of the table can easily be modified by drag and drop. If you right-click in the body area, you can insert, connect, delete fields or merge cells. To insert the barcode field into the template as an example, right-click on the title, click Insert Field, search for the barcode field, and add it to the template. If you click the added field again, an arrow-shaped icon will appear. Click the icon and drag to move the position of the field to where you want to.